Today I have The Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm gonna unbox this. This is actually another thing from Comic-Con. I didn't get a chance to do it earlier. So we're going to do it now. All right, this fell apart, but this has a little sharpener, a little book, like a notepad. It says there's 4 pieces, but I don't see anything else. Okay. All right. Ooh, this is nice. This is a neck pillow. I do like that. Ooh. And a blankie. Let's open this up and see what this is. Let's take a look at this. It's soft. It's very thin though. I'm holding it the wrong way. I think it's nice. It's very thin though, but it's cute. Very cute. My neck pillow fell off. Oh, I have socks. Very soft socks. I like that with Jack on it. Let's see. Oh, this must have came with that 4-piece set. So we have an eraser and a pencil too. And we have, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a hair holder. So you put this in your hair. I like that a lot. And, ooh, we have a sock and a mug set. So I got another sock. The socks are very soft. I like that. This one's not as soft as those, but it's cute. And the mug. Hey. Has Jack on both sides. So that is my quick unboxing today, which I have to clean all this up. As you can see, I'm still attempting to clean behind me. I have to decorate it still for Halloween. My theme outside is The Nightmare Before Christmas, which I'll put up some photos and show you them. So that is it for today. And as always, please enjoy the rest of your day, your evening, your weekend. And as always, please be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and just make the world a better place. Okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.